I'm here at Champs, and so far it's 10:30 in the morning, and they've sold 2 pairs of these, which is funny and interesting because it's a Tuesday, so you wouldn't think that people will actually come out and get it, but they're getting it. It's the shoe on the Jordan 11 Low Snakeskin pink. It's the only problem that I have with the shoe is the price. $185 is a little too much, but as far as I'm concerned, they're going pretty well. I'm just showing you Champs wall real quick. Let's see what they got still. These still got the 1 inch. They're not moving as well anymore. But this is it. So I'm gonna go to the downtown locker room and ask some questions there too. Alright? Downtown locker room. And so far they've sold 3 pairs out of 18. But I just want to show you what's on the wall still right now. And I'll do my little recap at the end. Okay. Let's take a look at the wall real quick.
You better act like you know Miss Nicki Minaj.
Just the most notable shoes, like a lot of the feelers I would say right now. I mean, this is a good time to be a.
You got them though, right?
Hey, let me show you something else that I think it's good to see. What? That's the Jordan wall. You can see what happened, alright? So I'm gonna go back out and then we're gonna do a little recap. So 2 pairs sold via Champs and then 3 pairs sold via downtown locker room. And I just want to show you a glance of the wall real quick. Now Finish Line didn't have the shoe, so they didn't sell it. They didn't have any stock. So look at this again. That's the Fly Closet. Both on sale right now. This the New York joint is $149. I don't want to pull that out. You see that? So much stuff, man. Alright? So wait for the recap. Hey guys, actually I did not plan on doing this morning. I was just going to the store to do some kind of sneaker pickups, you know, because they DTLR is doing a lot of sales, so I wanted to see if there's anything that I wanted to get. But I got in there and then I saw the 11s, the low tops with a pink faux leather on the overlays and stuff like that. So I just wanted to do a quick release report. So when I talked to I went to Champs, you saw what I saw on the wall. I asked the girl that was working there, she said they sold 2 pairs, and I saw 3 people there trying to grab more pairs, but I guess they're coming back, so they have a couple on hold. And I went to downtown, and this is 10:30 in the morning. So I'm assuming that by this evening, the shoe's gonna be probably not gone, but they're gonna probably sell like more than half of it. You know, this is a Tuesday. It's a stupid day to release a shoe, but for me to see people actually coming on a Tuesday to get a sneaker, that's a good sign. Now, if that was on a Saturday, I bet you they would have been like gone. But I guess Nike has some more stuff for Saturday, so they pushed this one for Tuesday. Now, I checked on like third-party marketplaces. The shoe's going for like $185, $190. It's basically like borderline retail, and it's slightly a little less. So that's a good sign for the shoe. I think this is something that people are gonna want to get. So if you're a reseller, you probably want to maybe grab them and hold on to them for a couple of weeks or something. But as far as I'm concerned, retail is gonna do good on those. It's a Tuesday at 10:30. People are coming and getting it. Good sign. And I think Finish Line didn't get the shoe, so whoever got it by the end of the week, they're probably gonna sell more than half, if not all of it. All right. So again, that's a good shoe by Nike, but the price point is just a little too much. $185. That's kind of like taking it up a notch. All right. They could have like kept it at like maybe $150 to make things a little bit more fair. All right. That's all I gotta say this morning. Quick release report, and stay tuned for more stuff. All right. Thanks. It's time for Master Kicks.